Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna explain you nouns. Before I proceed further, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Let's get started. A noun is a term that refers to the name of a thing, a person or a place. Or in simple words, we can say that noun is a name of anything. So these are naming words. For example, Shiva. Shiva is a name of a particular person or table or book. So these are name of things. There are 5 main kinds of noun. First is proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person or a place. It always begins with a capital letter. For example, Paras. It is a name of a particular boy. In the same way, Red Fort. It is also a name of a particular monument. Next is common noun. A name given in common to every person or thing of the same class. For example, car. It doesn't point out any particular car like I-20 or Maruti. In the same way, river. It doesn't point out any particular river like Ganga, Yamuna or Brahmaputra. But it is the common name given for all the rivers. Next kind is collective noun. Collective noun is a name for collection of persons or things. For example, a swarm of bees or a herd of cattle, an army of soldiers. So these are examples of collective noun. Fourth kind is abstract noun. Abstract noun refers to the name of a quality, action or state. For example, honesty, truth, happiness, childhood, kindness, etc. So it includes all the things which we can neither see nor touch, but we can only think of it. Next kind is material noun. Material noun refers to the names of materials or substances out of which things are made. For example, copper, silver, gold, wood, etc. So, these are all materials out of which something could be made. Like with wood, we can make furnitures. With gold and silver, we can make jewelries. Further, nouns are classified into countable and uncountable. Countable noun refers to the people or the things which we can count. For example, boy, table, chair. These are all included in the countable nouns. Next is uncountable or non-count nouns. So it includes all the things or the people which we cannot count. For example, milk, honey, hair, sugar, dust. So these are some of the examples of uncountable nouns. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.